Mentally ill man being sought for chopping senior citizen. Hairdresser succumbs to injuries after Delamere Road shooting. Man gunned down in St. James while playing with children. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A mentally ill man is being sought by the police after he allegedly chopped a senior citizen multiple times in Bog Walk, St. Catherine on Monday. The victim remains hospitalized in critical condition. It is reported that about 8 a.m., the 64-year-old man was riding along the Knollis Road in Bog Walk when the mentally ill man hit him from his bicycle. The attacker then used a machete to chop the victim repeatedly. The senior citizen suffered multiple wounds to the head and upper body. He was rescued and taken for medical attention. The attacker fled the scene and is being sought by the Bog Walk police. A woman who was shot in her head on Monday on Delamere Road in the Walton Park area of St. Andrew has succumbed to her injuries. She has only been identified so far as Stephanie or Browning, a hairdresser of a Kingston address. Information reaching the news media is that the woman went to pick up her child from school about midday when she was attacked. Residents heard loud explosions and summoned the police. The injured woman was rushed to the hospital. More details to come following further investigations. A St. James farmer was on Monday fatally shot in the community of Rosemont. He has been identified as 48-year-old Lenroy Buchanan, otherwise called Sonny Boy, of Gardenia Crescent. Reports by the Mount Salem police are that about 5:30 p.m., Buchanan was playing with a group of children along a roadside when he was approached by two men armed with handguns. The men opened fire, hitting Buchanan multiple times before escaping on foot in the area. The wounded man was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead.